It's a fun, useful, hands-on course.
This was definitely my favorite class. I liked all the problem solving and I liked working with my team.
My name is Silas Tetzloff and I am a sophomore.
My name is Ethan Moser and I am a sophomore.
My name is Jake Krieger and I am a sophomore. I signed up for POE because I wanted to pursue a career down the road in engineering, and I figured these classes would help me do so.
Start off learning how to calculate the simple machines, and then we drew up a couple sketches of our problem that we needed to do with simple machines, and then we built and tested it. And
we were given a problem to solve using two simple machines, and we had to figure out the best way to use those two to solve our given task.
We learned about vectors and forces in different directions and how to calculate the force as on an object.
The truss that we created in class, which was made out of balsa wood, would perform the best in our class.
Solving trusses was really hard, but once figured it out, it was really rewarding.
Like year-round, we learned how to use sensors, motors, servos, and switches like throughout the year in our projects.
For our first big project of the year, we decided to use sensors, servos, motors to create a cookie topper.
Our cookie topper consisted of 4 different levels of conveyor belts, which the first one made chocolate chips fall into a funnel, which went onto the second one, and then that fell onto a slide, which went onto the third one, and then from the third one it fell onto the 4th level, which the chocolate chip cookie was on, fell onto the chocolate chip cookie, and that was a cookie topper project.
Another project that we did was our ping pong ball launcher, and that we just had to measure how far a certain angle would launch our ping pong ball. This is our ping pong ball launcher. We have 2 buttons set up to change the angle that it fires at, and we have a limit switch to fire the ball.
For the next big project, we had the marble sorter project, which was the goal of it was to get 15 marbles, which is 3 different types of marbles, like green, light green, white, metal, and we had to sort them into 3 different cups. And ours was consisted of motors, servos, levers, and switches. This motor right here dispenses a marble one by one, and that comes down to right here at this lever, which has a light sensor right here, which senses what color of the marble. And if it's white, as you can see, it shoots off to the right there. And if it's green, any type of green, it goes right there.
For this, there was a lot of programming involved. It was a bit of a struggle to get it started, but once you get to know how it works, it starts to work a lot easier and a lot more fluidly.
Once we got the marble sorter project to work, I thought it was very rewarding because of the fact that we had so many flaws and it was difficult to code. So once we got that to work, in our first try we had 1 error, I'm pretty sure, and 0 in the second. So once that all worked out, I thought it was very rewarding.
During this year, I learned how to better program, I learned how to work better with my team, and how to problem solve.
From this course, I learned how to code, how to work with my team, and how to use simple machines.
Over the course of the year, I learned how to solve trusses and code, which I was not, didn't even know about at the beginning.
I enjoyed this course. I like working with my hands and working with my team every day. It was fun to build and test stuff.
This course was very enjoyable because I like the hands-on building stuff and designing.
I would recommend this course to anybody who likes hand-on activities, likes to build stuff and see how stuff works.
My favorite part about this class was that we got to work on projects most of the year. They were always hands-on. Working with the team was always great to be able to do.
Intro to engineering design was really fun, and I learned a lot from it. So I thought principles of engineering would be a nice step after that. POE is the second engineering class.